Okay, Arjun, imagine this is a real group discussion round. We are discussing, is social media helpful or harmful for students? You can start.
Thank you. In my opinion, social media is helpful for students if used properly. It provides educational content, online courses, and global communication opportunities.
Good opening, clear and short. Now I will continue. However, I believe social media can also be harmful. Many students waste time scrolling without purpose. It reduces concentration and affects academic performance.
I agree with your point. Time management is very important. If students control their usage, social media can become a powerful learning tool.
Good. You used I agree correctly. Always appreciate others. Points in GD.
For example, many students learn English, coding, and new skills through YouTube and online platforms.
Yes, that is true. But addiction is a serious problem. Students sometimes compare their lives with others and feel stressed.
That's a valid point. Mental health is important, so I think awareness and self-discipline are necessary.
Excellent. You used valid point. That sounds professional. Now let's practice interruption politely. I will interrupt you. Continue speaking.
Social media helps students stay updated with current events and...
Sorry to interrupt, Arjun, but don't you think too much exposure can distract students?
Thank you for your question. I agree distraction is possible, but with proper time limits, students can balance both studies and social media.
Very good. You stayed calm. Never fight in GD. Now let's practice how to conclude a discussion. Please give a final statement.
To conclude, social media is neither completely helpful nor completely harmful. It depends on how students use it. With discipline and awareness, it can be a great learning platform.
Perfect conclusion. Short, balanced, and clear.
Earlier, I was scared of group discussion. I thought I need perfect English.
No, you need clear ideas, confidence, and listening skills.
What if someone speaks very fast?
Stay calm. Wait for a pause and say, I would like to add something to that point. Simple and polite.
That sounds easy.
Group discussion is not about shouting. It is about teamwork and communication.
I learned 3 things today. Speak clearly, respect others, and conclude strongly.
Exactly. Next episode, we will practice HR tricky questions.
I am ready.